This conference will now be recorded.
Yes, good afternoon, all of you. So, in the previous class, we discussed about the service page, right? So, these are all courses and these details displayed through the admin page, all of right? Through admin page, these are displayed. Okay. So, but here we are not represented like is it online mode or offline mode, guys? Okay, because due to this lockdown, right, due to this COVID-19, we are almost taking the online classes, right? So I want to tell that these all are the online courses, guys. Okay, so you can take an extra column here like mode, training mode. We can say for every training like online, guys. Or else I can take two titles: online classes, offline classes. For offline, we can say that. So right now we don't have the offline classes, and for online we can display this table, guys. Okay, how means? Let me go to the same page, guys. Right. So these all services are the online services, guys. All right. These all are the online services. This table belongs to online, guys. Online. Right. So above, I'll take some H1, guys, for example. H1 like offline courses or offline classes like this. Offline classes. So I'll take some class. So text center, guys, to get in the center. Get in the center. Yes, offline classes. So we don't have the offline classes, right? So just I'll take one paragraph or else some H5, H6, small font, guys. Let me take one paragraph here. One paragraph, guys, right? So I want to say like we don't have offline classes currently, all of it currently uh, due to due to COVID or also due to lockdown, guys, simply due to lockdown, right? So this one also will take in the center. So text center, right? Let's go there. Let's go there. All of you. Okay, or else let me take here some H3, guys. Some H3. Let me save this one. All of right. Okay. Offline classes. We don't have offline classes currently due to lockdown. Next, what, guys? This belongs to what? This belongs to online, right? This belongs to online, guys. So yes, we'll take here online classes, guys. And take now online classes, and this table will display the table will display, guys. Okay, so here we used h1 tag, right? H1 tag is used to display the like the title like this: online offline classes. Okay, so for this h1 you can apply the style, guys. Just I'm taking the style. I'm taking the style, inline style, guys. Okay, so internal styles. For H1, let me take the suppose color, guys. We'll change the some color. Let me take the red color for differentiate purpose, guys. All right. So yes. So I have taken the style, but style is not applying for this H1, guys, right? Even though we have the H1 tag, but still the style is not applying. The style is not applying, guys. What is the reason? Because inside the block whatever content is there, just that content is moving to the base file, guys. Inside the block, yes, up to here moving to the base file. That means in our example the style tag is taken now. Allah observe, where is the style tag, guys? The style tag is taken outside the block, guys, right? Allah observe here. Style is taken outside the block. That means that style is not moving to base file. That's why not applying for the H1 tags, guys. All of you, okay? The style also must be inside the block. Inside the block. The style must be inside the block. Let us try now. Let us try. Yes, all of observe. So what happened here? Actually, I want to apply the red color for only these two guys for online offline classes, not for this one, not for that one. So then what do we do? I want to take H1 only, guys. I want to take H1 here. I want to take H1 here, H1 here only. But applying for this H1 also, which is in the base file. All of right. So then I'll take the one class name for these two guys. I'll take the one common class name. Let me take here, suppose CLS1 guys. I take the name CLS1. Okay. So let me take the common class name guys, CLS1. Yes. Now I use the name class name dot CLS1 to apply the style, guys. All right. So offline classes and online classes. Online classes. Okay. Fine. If you want any gap, guys, above the online classes, just let me take the one break. We'll take the one break, guys. Okay. You can take the break or else you can apply the style also, guys. Margin top by taking one ID for this one, we can apply the margin top. Okay. Uh, Style also, right? So like this, guys, we can take the offline classes and online classes, guys. We can differentiate like this. We can differentiate like this. Or else, what do I do, guys? This H1, H3, this H1, H3, guys. Okay. Yes. So these two, I'm going to take below the table, guys, because right now we're focusing online, right? So below that, I'm taking here. That's all. Let us try now. Yes. After online classes, this all, and here offline classes. Just for giving the one hint, guys, that we don't have offline classes currently due to lockdown. Due to lockdown. I love you. Okay, this is the one way to say that only online classes running and offline is not running currently, guys. Okay, right. So that's fine. This is fine, guys. See, for this welcome Narayan Tech House. I want to apply some styles, guys, like a kind of what you call shadows, guys, right? Let us see applying shadows for that one. That is available where in the base file, guys, right? Yes, here a base file is there. In that one, okay. Welcome to Narayan Tech House is there. Right. So I'll take the one style, guys, here. Let me take the style. Okay, we'll take the style here. So it's better to take the a class name here also, guys. I'll take, for example, title one, guys. Okay, I'll take the name title one. So this name we use to apply the styles, guys. Dot title one, like this. This is text, right? This is text, guys. So we will use the text shadow. We have a style called text shadow, guys, right? Text shadow. Uh, Shadow. So let's give five pictures first. Again, five pictures, guys. Then we want shadow red color, right? Red color, guys. Let's see what is five, what is five, and what is red. All of you. Okay. So what is the first five? What is the second five? And what is this? Okay. This is the shadow color, guys. The shadow color. But what are these two values, right? So yes, just observe, guys. Right. So there is a text already. Just imagine now there is a text, guys. The text is, for example, P is the text, guys. Okay. For this one, I'm applying the shadow. Okay. All of you. For this one, I'm applying the shadow, guys. Applying the shadow, right? So here the first five means getting shadow the right side, guys. Right side getting shadow. That first point means getting the shadow on the right side, guys. Getting a shadow like a right side like this. All of you. Okay, so right side, guys. It is the right side. It is the right side. Okay, but here on this right side, do you want top, top or bottom? Okay, top or bottom, guys, right? So second value is the bottom height, guys. This side, guys. Second value this side means the shadow comes right bottom side, guys. Right bottom side, right bottom side. That means right side moving, guys, and coming down like this, not coming up, guys, not coming up like this. All of you. Okay, coming down, guys. Shadow coming down like this. Just right side, then moving down, guys. Okay, all of you observe. Like this, shadow will come, guys. That is the first value is the left side shadow. So right side shadow. Second value is the bottom side shadow, guys. Bottom height. Right side, bottom height. I want reverse, sir. I want like left side. Then take the minus value, guys. If I take the minus value, it gives okay, left side. And if you give second one minus, then it is the right top side, guys. All of you. For both values, if I give the minus, then it gives left and the top, guys. Left and top. Just observe. So right now, all of observe. So right now, okay. Yes, you can see, guys. You can see here. You can see here. This is the which one? All of observe. Yes. So right side is there, guys. The shadow is the right side. Right side shadow is there. Plus bottom side, guys. Okay, bottom side is there. If I give the minus values for both, if I give the minus values for both, guys, I am giving the minus for both and save it. Right, save it. You can refresh, guys. See, went to top and left side, guys. Top and the left side. All of right. So that is fine, guys. That's fine. I'm taking five pictures, and red coming right down, guys. Okay, right down, guys. That shadow means some blur value required, guys. Okay, blur required, not as it is copy and paste. Shadow means some blur required. Take the third argument blur value, guys. Okay, blur. Third one is blur value. Save this one, guys. I taken the five pictures blur. See, guys, all of right. See the blur. Can observe here. Can observe, guys, that blur is there. Blur is there. Sir, I want the shadow on four sides, sir. I want right and left. I want top and bottom, sir. Then what do we do? All of right. Right now, the shadow came. The shadow came right and bottom, guys. Right, right and bottom. I want right, left, top and bottom, sir. Then simply take the zero, guys. If I take the zero, if you take the both values zero, it gives four sides. It gives four sides. Yes. So all of can observe here, guys. Can observe here. And four on like a top, bottom, right, left shadow is there. And this blur depends upon the third argument, guys. Right? If you take the blur, just only if you take the blur only one pixel, guys, right? It's more visible. All of can observe here. All of can observe here. Can observe right. A light red color is there, guys, on sides, right? If I take suppose four pixels, if I take the four pixels, you can see the blur increased, guys. Okay, the blur increased. Means if the value is increased automatically, the blur also will increase, guys. See, the blur also is increasing. Right? This is the way applying shadow. Let me take just three pixels, guys, not more than just three pixels. I'll take, or else let me go with the five pixels. All of you, yes. This is the way applying the one okay shadow. If you want to apply multiple shadows, already red shadow is there. I want to just take the green shadow also. Means second shadow. I want to take multiple shadows. Just to take the comma. take the comma. Again, 0 pixels, 0 means here both the left and right. Again, 0 means top and bottom. Now, I'll take the 8 pixels blur, 8 pixels blur. I'll take the green, guys, okay? Green color. We'll take the green, right? All of you observe. Yes, you can observe here. So first we got the red. On top of red we have the green also, guys. We have the green also, right? If you want one more also, again zero, guys. Zero means which one, top, left and right. Again zero means top and bottom. I'll take this time 10 pictures, guys. I'll take the blue color. We'll take the blue, right? We can take the n number of shadows, guys. N number of shadows. Okay. So for this one, I'll take the color. What is the default color, guys? Black color, right? Default black color. Text color is the black, right? Suppose if you take the white is the color, guys. Okay. If you take the white color, I'll have to observe here, guys. Okay. So I have taken the text color white color, guys. You have taken the text white color. Text white color. Now, if I change the background of this body, if I change the background of the page, guys, then it is visible more. All of right. If you change the background of the pages, background of background of the pages, it looks better, guys. Okay. Let me try to change the body background color, guys. Let us take some background color. All of you, let me try the background color, guys. So generally we remember the okay full colors, guys, like red, green, blue, yellow, okay, pink, like that. But lot of colors are there. In the green only we have the okay very light green, green and a dark green, like that. Some codes are there, guys. If you want very clearly, just go to the Google and you can try color picker, guys, right? Color picker. So let's take the color picker for CSS. All of you. Right, you can observe all of you. Just observe here. So here red is selected, guys. Just by default, okay. Red is selected here. So this is the red, guys, which is selected there, selected color. In that one, you can see all of it, light to dark, guys. See, light to dark. So whatever color you want, just that code you just here, we pick up from here, guys. We pick here and we paste in our project. Okay. Suppose let's go with light blue, guys. Okay. Let us try this one, or else all of you. Okay. Shall we go with very light, guys? Like this one. Okay. Let us try. Let us try that background color. Yes. Enough, guys. Let's go there. Uh, all of can observe here. It applies for all pages, guys. It applies for all pages. You can observe, right? It applies for all pages, guys. Because so we have taken the body where the base file, guys. The base file body, not a specific file. In the base file, you have taken the body this color, all of right. Okay. It is fine, guys. Or else, let me take the. Oh, sorry. Hmm. So what is better here? This is very difficult task, guys. Well, selecting the colors is the okay, the highest difficult task compared to writing the coding. One, guys, let me try. All of you, I think it is better, guys, right? I think it is better. Services, right? Gallery, okay, home page, guys. Fine. Okay. So here, right, we can see, guys, now the title, okay, that welcome note is highlighting very well. All of right. So fine now. So like this, you can write the services page, guys. You can implement below if you want any images. All you can implement below, guys. Okay, that's fine. Now let's come to the home page, guys. Okay, we'll come to the home page. So right now, guys, almost we done the services page, guys, and the gallery page also. We are taking some images, guys. Okay, we are taking some images in the gallery page. Now let's go to the home page, guys. Let's go to home page. In the home page, just we remove this one. And what do we do here, all of you? In the home page, let us try like this. So this is the home page. Okay, this is the home page, guys. And already in the top, that nav bar is there, and below that, okay, welcome note is there. That's fine. Now, just I'll take here first about founder. I take one title, guys, about founder, and I take the founder image. I take the some founder image, and I'll take okay some content about the founder, guys, right? I'll take this image size like this, some content about the founder, guys. So some dummy text I will take right now. So like this, we take it, all of you. Okay, up to here we take it. That's enough. It's about the founder. Okay, about the founder, guys. Next, below we'll take same about organization, guys. Let's take about organization, and same we'll take the one okay company photo, guys, or else a logo, and same I'll take the content. I'll take some content, guys. We'll take some content here. Uh, then I'll take one more also. Now about founder, about organization over. I'll take one more, guys. That is the our team. We'll take the title our team, right? So suppose we are the three members, guys, or two members, or four members. Now in the bootstrap, one concept is there called the card concept, guys. Okay, bootstrap card concept. Okay, so by using bootstrap card, I'll display, okay, uh, two or three cards, guys. Means if we are the three members in the team, I take three cards, guys, display, okay, that team member name and about him, guys. Same team member name and his image, team member name and his image, and about his qualification all. I will take in the form of the bootstrap card, guys. Bootstrap card. Like that, we try to implement, guys. Okay, we try to implement. Right. So first, what do we do? I'll take here about founder, guys. Right. About founder. Uh, right. Let's go to the home page, guys. Home page. Yeah. Just to remove this one. Okay. Just about founder, guys. Right. About founder. About founder that I want in the center. And of right, we want in the center text center, guys. Okay. Uh, text center, text center. Yes, that comes in center, guys. That comes in center. But H2 not required, guys. Let's go with some H3 like that. PH4. Okay, that's fine. This thank you is taken in the boost in the base file, guys. Right? Actually, we should take the okay footer. That footer will try later. Right now, this thank you, guys, I'll remove from that page. Okay, that thank you I'll remove, guys. I'll remove from here. Later we'll take the footer also. Okay, yes, about founder, guys. Yes, now what do we do here? What do we do? I'll take the one container, all of you. I take the one container, and in that one we take the one row also, guys. I take the container and the row also, and okay, all of you. I'll take the row also. In that row, I take the just the first three, four columns, guys. One or two columns for the image purpose, and the remaining I'll take for the content, guys. Okay, I'll take for the content. So if I use three columns for the image, next nine columns I use for this content purpose, guys. Okay, let me take the first container. Where is that one? In the home page, right? In the home page, guys. Yes. So div class, right? Container, and close this container, guys. Yes, it is closed. Next one, let me take div class row, div class row. Let me close the this division also, guys, enough. Now, how many columns I'm going to use? I'm going to use three columns for the image. Okay, just class. I'll take the call md3, guys. Okay, let me close this division also. Yes. So in these three columns, I'm going to take the image. All right. I'm going to take the image. That we use the image tag, guys. We use the image tag, right? Let me check what images are there in the image file folder, guys. I think my image means my image is there, guys. I'll take this image. So how to take that image? src source equal to write the path, guys. We have to write the path of the image. What is the path? First, go to static folder. In the static folder, go to images folder. In the images folder, I want to use the my img.jpg, right? Static images and my image, all of it. So first take the static folder. In that one, okay, I am taking here images, guys. Images slash my img.jpg, guys. Okay, jpg. All of you. Allah, right? Okay. Uh, I think we'll take within the curly braces like this, guys. I hope. Let me run this one. Let me check it, guys. Oh, so it's saying that static expected end block, right? Did you forget to register the load? So this means we are using the static file, guys, right? So load static already is taken now. And what we forgot, guys? So block end block, right? End block also is there. Let me remove the image, guys. Let me take some h1. Okay, for example, let me try this one. Yes, it's working, I said. Maybe image taking the wrong. Let me. Yes, image src source equal to, all of right, source equal to static, guys, right? Static, then images folder. In that folder, my img.jpg, guys. Okay, jpg. Let me take the style. I'll take the both width and the height, guys. 100%. Okay. uh, Height, let me take 100 pixels. The same time, width also I'll take the 100 pixels, guys. That's all. Let's go there. Let me refresh here. Yes, image came. All of right, that image came, guys. I'm using same image. Okay, in the gallery also I taken the all same images, guys. Here also I'm taking the same face. Okay, same face, guys, right? So yes, now how many columns over, guys? I think I have taken three columns, right? Three columns are used. Next, nine columns are there. In these nine columns, I'm going to take some dummy text, guys. Okay. So yes, this is the container. In that one, this is the row. In that one, these are three columns, right? Yes. Next, I'll take the let me close this div. I'm going to take here class call md9. I'm going to use remaining all columns, guys. Okay, I just take the paragraph tag, guys. Okay, we just take the paragraph tag, and I want to take some dummy text, guys. Okay, some dummy text I want to take. um, Let me go here. So dummy text generator, guys, in English, something like this. Okay, generally we use yes, this text. So let me take this data, guys. This one, just a copy from here, and I just paste in the paragraph, guys. Okay, just pasted here. Yes, let's go there. Let me refresh here. Yes, guys. Okay. So if you want more, you can take more, guys, or else you can decrease the image size. All of right. I can decrease the image size, guys. It seems very big one, right? All of you. Yes, here only I just take 50 percentage, guys, not 100. Just I'm going for 50 percentage. Okay, 50 percentage, guys. 50 percentage, right? And I'll take the class. Is it possible, guys? Text center. Is it possible for this one? Get in the center. So, all right. It seems more gap is coming between the image and text, guys. Okay. Since more gap is coming, what do we do? 1 second, guys. These are 9 columns. These are 9 columns. These are 3 columns. Okay. These are 3 columns, guys. For these 3 columns, I'll take 1 second. Okay, let me try. I'll take some background color success, guys. Let us see how much it occupied. Let me check once, guys. Oh, see, Alaf, right? Alaf, observe here. The 3 column space, this image occupying left side part, guys. Okay, left side part only because small image, right? And when you come to this one, guys, just busy. Just I take the primary. Okay, primary. Let's go. This is fine, guys. The text is fine now, but about the image only, guys. About the image only. So can I use? I think here I am using, guys, not there. I think text text center, guys, right? Text center. Yes, that's better, all of right. This is better, guys. Now I remove this background. Okay, this background I remove. It is not looking good, right? All of this I taken for testing purpose. Okay, yeah, that's fine now, right? This is fine, guys. This is fine. Still, if you want, if you still let me undo, guys, backgrounds. Yes. So still, if you want no space, sir, I want the image up to here, sir. I want image up to here means what can I do here? Not center, take the right, guys. Means that image will move right side of that okay division. All of you observe here, guys. All of you observe. So at that time, I think 3 columns not required for this image. All of right. So I think 3 columns not required. Let me take 2 columns for the image and 10 columns for this okay text, guys. So at that time, it still become very small image. All of right. So let me go with now 100 pixel size, guys, complete size of the image. Yes, all of okay. I think, guys, now it's going to be fixed. I'm going with 80 pixels, guys. Yes, this is better, all of you. Okay, just remove this backgrounds. Okay, I just remove this background colors, guys. I think it's better, all of right. Okay, it's better now, guys. It's better, right? If you want, you can take more text also, guys. If you want, you can take the more text also. Okay, it depends upon our skills, guys, right? We can take the 1 line or 2 lines or 3 lines or 10 lines, 20 lines, and number of lines, guys. Some people you can find in some websites, guys, about the founder. They write like a number of pages, guys. They write the number of pages. And some people they write just 1 or 2 words. They leave it, guys. Okay, about the founder. It is up to their wish. Okay, that's fine. About the founder over, guys. Right? About the founder over. About this founder, I'll take text text danger, guys. Okay, okay. He is very danger. All of right. Yes, danger means it gives red color, guys. Okay, he gives a red color. That's all. Danger. These all are the bootstrap default classes. All of right. Text danger, text center, text right, text left. Okay, this danger, success, info, primary, secondary, these all are the default classes in the bootstrap, right? That's fine. Now this container is completely done, guys. Okay, this container, about okay, foundry is done. I just copy the same, guys. I just copy the same as it is, and I'll take here, guys. Okay, now I change this one about okay, institute, guys, or organization or company is our wish, right? That's fine. That's fine. But what we change, guys? Generally change that. We change the text, guys. We change the image also. Okay. I think right now we don't have that image, guys. That only my image is there. Let me go to the desktop, guys. On the desktop, we have the logo. We have our institute logo on the desktop. I hope. Yes, guys. I copy this logo from here and I go to the project folder, guys. I just go to the project folder, Allah Fabja. I just go to the project folder. Yes. Okay. Images, guys. Yes. I paste that one here. This image comes to the project automatically, guys. Okay. See, logo came. Logo came, guys. Okay. Logo came. That one, just change this one, guys. What's the name? Logo.png. Logo.png, guys, right? Let's go there and refresh here. Not came. Maybe. Yes, guys. This image should remove, right? All of you. If this one is not removed, yes. Now, oh, sorry. You click Control S, I think. Yes, refresh here. Yes, guys. All of you observe here. All of right. This image came, guys. This image came. See here on both the left side, right side, empty space came, guys. On both the left side, right side, empty space came. Why empty space came, sir? Because we have taken the container, not the container fluid. If I take the container fluid, guys, suppose if I take the container fluid for the organization, I just take the FLUID, yes, fluid, guys, right? Let us see now. It comes from left to right almost, guys. It comes almost left to right, okay? Left to right, guys. Almost left to right, right? That's our wish, guys, okay? Just I take the only container like this enough, guys. Ah, so it's fine. Now the third one, what is third one? I said that we'll take our team, guys. We'll take the our team. We'll take the our team, and then I take the two bootstrap cards, guys. Okay, there's concept called card concept is there. That explain what is card. Okay, first let me take the this title, guys. Yes, I just take here our team, our our team. Okay, our team, our team. Yes, fine. So here our team is taken, guys. Now let us see what is card. What is card, guys? Okay, what is card? Yes, the card has three parts, guys. Okay, the card has three parts: card header, card body, card footer. All of right. The card has three parts. Yes. So one second, all of you. Hmm. Yes. So see, guys, we'll take the one card. We'll take the one card like this. So first card header, guys. In the card header, you can display the names, any titles, guys. Okay. And the card body, in the body you can display image, guys. Image. In the card footer, you can display any text, guys. You can display any text. Or else take only card body only, guys. You can take the only card body also, guys. Okay, all of you. Right. Let us try now. Let us try, guys. I'm going to take two cards, guys. I want to take here two cards. All of right. Here also, I'll take the one container, guys. One container, right? And in that one row, six columns for okay team member one, guys. Like I'll take the myself. I take the team member two, guys. Team member two. Let's take the okay Srinivas sir, guys. Okay, we'll take the two members here. We can take three or four also, guys. If you want to take two cards, then I'll use the 6 columns and 6 columns, guys. If you want to take the three cards, then we take the 4 columns for one card, and next 4 columns for second card, next 4 columns for third card. Totally 12 columns, right? Total 12 columns in your row, guys. You can divide equal number of columns as for our divisions. Okay, right. So first of all, let me go to, let's take here same, guys, div class. Let's take the same container. In the container, close the container, guys. Yes. So div class row, all of you, div class row. Let's close this one, guys. Enough. Now row is taken. Guys, div class. I just take the first 12 columns, guys. Sorry, first 6 columns. I just take the first 6 columns, guys. For team member one, for team member one, I take the next 6 columns. Div, all of you, div. So class will take the call MD6. Okay, this is for second team member, guys. Right. I'll take both parallelly. Let's take both parallel, guys. Okay, we'll take both parallelly, right? In the first team member, in the first division, I'll take the all of you. So div, right? Div class. I'll take the class name card, guys. Okay, let's take the class name card. Class name card, all of you. Card is taken. In the card, we'll take the card header, guys. Okay. In the card, I'll take the card header. First part. Okay. Div class. I take the card header. All of right. Card header. Why this card header? First part to display some like in names, guys. Right. In this one, I'll take the one H2 or H3 tag, guys. H3 tag, all of you. H3, right? I'll take just Mr. Narayana, guys, right? Mr. Narayana. Okay, just let me save this one. Let's go there. Let me refresh here, guys. Yes, all of it. Okay, just a header came, guys. In the header, that type. Okay, that name came. All of it. In the header, that name came, guys. So if I take this is title, all of right. This is title. I take the card title, guys. Okay. Any changes there or no change? Let us see. If I take the class card title, any changes coming? Yes, guys. Okay. Just little change. Little. This is increased, guys. Okay. Little bit increased. Okay. Fine. This one I want take in the middle, right, guys? This name I want in the middle. So what do I do here? I just take now. Uh, Sorry, guys. Just take a text to center, guys. Okay, text center. The header I'm taking a text center. A center came. All of observe. Right. Okay. So this part came in the center of the header. At the same time, that header background color I'm taking, for example, success, guys. Okay. I'm taking the background success. I'm taking the background success, guys. Yes. Then text color, it's better to take the white, guys. Okay, with this combination, let me take the white. I taken the H3, guys. Okay, you can, if you want a little bit more size, let's take the H1. Or increase the font size, guys. Okay, increase the font size. All of right. This is better. All of you. Okay. Now, what is our card? Okay, in the 6 columns. I just taking the card in the card header over. The same thing I'm going to do for this. Okay, here also, guys. Same, yes, it is I'm doing. I just change the name only, guys. I just change the name. Screen was like this. Okay, let's go there. Yes, guys. All of right, all of you. So here are both the team members, right? The name changed, guys. Sorry, two cards came. Two cards came. We want one more card also, sir. Suppose how to take 3 cards, then take 4 columns, and four columns, guys. We'll take the four columns, four columns, four columns. How means if you want that also, guys, okay, we can do it. We can do it very easily. Yes. So I just take the four columns, guys. Enough. I just take the here also four columns, guys. Enough. The same four columns I just copy and paste here. I just copy and yes, guys, right? Okay, let's go there. Let me refresh here like this. All of right. Okay. So we have taken three names, right? Narayana, Srinivas. Let me take some other name, guys. Okay. Uh, let's take for example Anil, guys. Some other name, some other person. Anil. All of right. See like this. Enough. Now, for three members, what is our guys? For three members, just a card, red card header over, right? This is the header, guys. So this is the card. This is the card. In the card, card header over. Let me take the card body, guys. Okay, I'll take the card body. I'll of take the due class. I just take the card body. Okay, card body, guys. Yes, in the card body what I want, what you want to do, I just display the image, guys. Okay, I just display the my image same like above, right? All of you, yes, src, src, guys, right? All of you, let me take the static. Okay, I just take the images slash my image, guys, right? My image, all of, okay, very bigger size came, guys. And yeah, that we know, right? How to control we know, guys. Style. We'll take the width, guys, first. Okay, width. I'll take the 100 pixels. Okay, 100 pixels, guys. That is fine. That is fine. All of you. Think very small size came, guys. Okay. So we are taking the pixels here, right? All of you. Let me take the percentage wise, not pixels. I'll take the 100 percentage, guys. Yes, that is fine. This is the body, guys, right? It is the body. It is the body, right? Okay, that is fine now. The same body, guys. All of observe. The same body. All of observe here. Only body division I am copying and take it for Mr. Srinivas also, and take it for Mr. Anil also, right? We change the image of Srinivas, guys. Okay, think it is available on the desktop. Let me go to desktop, guys. Let me take the desktop. Yes, it is available here. I'll copy from this one and go for the project folder, guys. Right, so institute project, then institute static, guys, then images. Let me take this one. Okay, that's fine now. Let's go to the folder. Let us see the file extension. Yes, png, guys, right? Extension is okay, png. Yes, where is this one? Yes, guys. Okay, this one we change it. Data png, right, guys? Png. Yes, all of can observe, guys, here. All of can observe here, right? So, Mr. Anil, that image came automatically, guys, because we copied pasted, right? That image came automatically, guys, and this Anil image not available, guys. So let it be same, guys. Okay, let it be same thing. All of you observe here, right? In the below, we can take the footer, guys. Okay. Now, what is our all of you? What is over here? Just head over, and the body over, right? Body over, guys. Body over. After body, I'll take a due class. Let's take suppose card footer, all of it, card footer. Okay, let me close this one now. card footer guys, right? Card footer. Yes, in the card footer, I can take just some H3 guys, something like this H3. Okay. So means below the image guys, below the image, we can take like here guys, we can take okay, suppose experience details or education details or some highlight points about this member or working experience. We can take all guys, whatever you want, you can take it all right. Okay, let me take here some H3. All right. Suppose education and working experience, guys. Okay, something working experience. Something you can take like this, guys. So I want to give some points here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, or else with a disc symbol like that, guys. Simply we use a tag called what tag, guys? We use I'm going to use OL tag, guys. I hope you know what is OL. Another list, okay? Another list, guys. Means numbering will not come. Numbering will not come, right? In this one, first li tag, guys. All of you will take the li tag, right? Li. Yes, guys. Okay, li. Let's take. We'll take some points, guys. What points we take? Educational working experience, right? For example, guys, completed BTech, BTech. Okay. In 2010, guys, some from ANU. I love just a few points I'm taking. Okay. Right. One more point, guys. One more point. Suppose, okay, worked worked in okay, worked in different companies, guys. Companies. Okay. If you want one more li, we take the one more li, guys. Okay. So started Narayana Tech House, guys. In when it is started, guys, exactly 1 year back. Okay, all of you. In 2020, guys. Okay, 2020, 2020, guys. Right. Yes, that's all. For example, guys, these points enough. For example, okay, these points enough, guys. And still, if you want, you can take a number of points, guys. Okay, we can take the n number of points. Uh, right. We can take suppose giving training, providing uh, training on Python full stack, guys. That's all. Python full stack. Okay. So this fine. Let me go there. Let us check here, guys. What will display? What will display? All right. Education and working experience. So we'll take the small size, guys. Let me take suppose a H5 or H4 like this, guys. Small size will come, all of you. Okay, we can take like this about working experience, guys. Education and working experience, right? So I'll take the class, just to take that, not a text. Let me take here BG, suppose not BG, guys, better text primary. We change the color name, guys, okay? Color name. Or else, let me take here, suppose success, guys, okay? Success, something like this. And these points. This Narayana Tech House, I want to highlight, guys. Okay, I want highlight with a light dark color. Okay, just we take the bold tag for this one, guys. Okay, we can take the bold tag. We have the B, guys. That B, I am going to close here. Bold tag or whatever you want to highlight like this. Allow, right? Okay, that's fine. In 2020 is coming the new name, right, guys? Or else, just let me remove this one, guys. Okay, looks better. If you want, I can take separate line now. NTH started in 2020 like that. Okay, all of you, all of right. So like this, guys, like this, you can take it, all of you, right? So we have taken the card photo, guys. In the card photo, we have taken this one. Okay, fine guys, this is about the card photo. The same card photo guys, just a copy and paste for the other faculties also. The same card photo, this is card body of card body, copy and paste guys. And here also of card body, just a copy and paste all of you. Okay, all of can observe here, all of can observe here, right? So Mr. Srinivas, right guys, he's not 2010, I think he is 2012 guys, he is 2012 from JNTU guys, and worked in different companies, started, okay, not started guys, okay, working with NTH, giving training on Python full stack, he is giving training on, okay, let me take one more point also guys, he is giving training on what, I'm taking the separate line guys, right, giving a training on REST API. He is main for the REST API guys. Okay, REST API and the UI. For REST API, I'll take the bold tag guys. All of you will take the bold tag for REST API and for UI also guys. I just take the bold tag. That's fine. Let's go there. Let's refresh here. His image is very small guy compared this image. Okay, shall we try to increase the height of that image guys? Let us try to increase the height of that image. Height is there. Let me take suppose 120 percentage guys, 120 percentage. You're not increasing by default, that is there guys. Okay, yes. So all of, so like this guys, like this we can develop the page guys. Okay, we can take n number of components here. So first what you have taken, we have taken the about founder, about institute guys, something our team, and you know guys, here we can take one more also. What can we take means, we can give the some icons guys, which icons are like Facebook icon, WhatsApp icon, Twitter icon. Okay, like follow me or follow us, we can give the, okay, some hyperlinks also guys, that will try in the further classes. All of right. So this is what we have done today guys. In the next class we try to work with that footer and this font or some icons, we try to implement more and more guys about this one. Okay, right. Thank you so much all of you. We'll meet in the next class. Bye.